I like to think none of this would have worked out if you weren't, at heart, just a little bit, a good person.
And if you weren't, deep down, just enough of a bastard to be worth knowing. Cheers. To the world.
To the world.
That certain night, the night we met, there was magical broad in the air.
We've known each other a long time. We've been on this planet for a long time. I mean, you know. I could always rely on you. You could always rely on me. We're a team, a group. Group of the two of us. And we've spent our existence pretending that we're not.
I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I know 'cause I was there that night in Berkeley Square.
Nothing lasts forever. I forgive you.